What's up, everybody? So today it's me and Luke again. We got to run. We got to go pick up some stuff for his SC300. We're actually going to do his headlights today. We're going to re-clear them?
Yeah,
clear them, and then we're going to crack them open, get all the moisture out. But right now we're just driving to AutoZone to go pick up our supplies, and we'll just take you guys along. So enjoy the montage. Alright, so now we're back from AutoZone. These are the things we ended up picking up. We got 600 grit sandpaper, 1000 grit, and 1500 grit. It's a lot like what we did on my Civic. We also got some clear coat that is UV resistant. And then we picked up some of this black silicone here just to reseal the headlights after we get them all tore apart and get the moisture out. The only thing that we still need to pick up is
adhesion promoter. Yeah,
adhesion promoter, because that's, I don't know, AutoZone didn't have any. We stopped in at Walmart, they didn't have any either. So we're going to try Arnold's here in a little bit, but once we get that, we'll go ahead and paint the headlights. We'll go ahead and take you guys over here, show you what we've gotten done so far. We've kind of already started disassembling it. These headlights are kind of a pain in the butt. We already got this fog light out and this headlight out here. I'll show you guys what is needed to take these out. Let me grab a light here. So you come back here into this wheel well here, and you have your few screws that hold on this fender liner, and then this peels back. And then up inside there is, I don't know how well you guys can see that. There's two screws which connect to the back of this headlight. So you guys can see right there and there. So you undo those screws, and I think they're 10 millimeters.
Yep.
And then on top here, there's one 10 millimeter here as well, which you take that out, and then the whole headlight just pops forward. It's a little snug down here. You guys might have to push down on the bumper just to get the headlight to pop up. And then as far as the fog light goes, which this is on a 95 SC300, they're a little bit different than the 97s and newer, or 97 and newer. But you can see down in here, there's actually one, can you get that light down there?
Yeah.
There's one, this AC is like killing me.
I know.
There's one nut right there. There's one over there. And then way back here, I don't know how well you guys can see it. There's another one right there that needs to come out. And then the fog light will just slide forward. So we'll get all that pulled out, and then we'll go ahead, start sanding them, and clear coating them and put them back on the car. I think this is gonna look awesome. All right, so now we got the headlights and fog lights all out of the car. We're gonna take some 600 grit sandpaper. I've got like a little sanding block inside there just to make sure it's on a flat surface, that we're not putting like any grooves or anything in this. And then just some soapy water here, just spray them down. We're gonna wet sand them. And I guess we'll just go ahead and get started right now. guys can see here, we got the headlights all sanded. They're completely done up to like 1500 grit sandpaper. All we gotta do is clear coat them. Like I said earlier, we need to get some adhesion promoter because on the Civic, when I did it, they kind of cracked, and I don't know if it was just because it was cold or not, but I think that adhesion promoter is going to help. And then on this headlight, we end up picking up this black silicone here just to reseal it because, as you guys can see here, it's got moisture and stuff on the inside. So we're going to go ahead and try to separate the lens from the headlight itself, clean it all out on the inside, and then re-seal it. Alright, so now you guys can see here we have a heat gun set in here on the lowest setting, and the headlight is inside this box here. It's just going to help heat it up, and we can try to separate it. We already took off all like the metal clips and stuff that were connecting it together. So once this gets warm enough, we're going to try to separate the headlight, wedging a screwdriver or something in there, and then I don't know, we'll just see if this works. If it doesn't, we'll let you guys know. Now you guys can see here we end up getting this all separated. The box method didn't work. We end up just using the heat gun, going around the edges here. Luke is cleaning them up right now. And we got to thinking, since we already have this all apart, maybe we're going to attempt it and just spray this housing black, because we haven't been able to find any housings or headlights that are just black.
We haven't found like complete sets that were black. We've only found the headlights themselves.
Yeah, so I don't know. I think we're just going to attempt it. I got some black plasti dip, so we're just going to wing it. If it comes out good, it comes out good. I mean, if it's not that great, we can always just pull it back off and peel the dip off and put it back together. So I guess we'll see how this goes. So I got it all degreased, and it's just ready to spray it. So we're just going to test this out. I got some black plasti dip here, so we're just going to coat it, and I don't know. Hopefully this turns out pretty cool. So here you guys can see we got it all done. We got it all sprayed black. I actually am just going to leave this tonight just to go ahead and cure all the way. And I don't know if you guys remember from like when we did the introduction of the SC300, that emblem was disgusting, and I figured, well, we're dipping everything else, might as well dip the emblem too. So I think we're going to take a break and end it from here and possibly come back tomorrow and start doing this all over again. Like I said, we still need to pick up the adhesion promoter.
Yeah, we need to do that.
Because like you can see on my headlights here, I did this, and I don't know if it was just the cold air or the fact that it didn't have any kind of adhesion promoter because it's on like a plastic surface that it made it crack, but I just don't want to run the risk of doing the same thing with the SC300. So we're going to go ahead and pick up some adhesion promoter tomorrow, and we're going to put this headlight together just to see how it looks. I don't know, I think it's going to look pretty cool. I like the way it's looking so far right now. But yeah, go ahead and subscribe to make sure to not miss out on this, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.